Good morning. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Allow yourself to relax and prepare for a new day filled with inner strength and resilience. As we begin, take a deep breath in and hold it just for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Feel the tension leaving your body with each breath. So focus on your breathing now. Notice how each breath feels as it enters and leaves your body. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. So imagine a warm golden light starting at the top of your head. This light is soothing and calming. As it moves down, it releases any tension or stress you may be holding on to. So feel this light moving down to your forehead, your eyes, and your cheeks. And as it travels, it releases any tightness or tension. So let it flow down your neck and shoulders, relaxing every muscle. And feel the weight of your shoulders just easing away. The warm light continues down your arms, through your elbows, wrists and hands, bringing relaxation to every part of your body. Now let the light move down your chest, soothing your heart and lungs, allowing you to breathe even more deeply and calmly. It flows down your back, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Feel it move down to your belly, your hips, and your legs, relaxing every muscle there. And finally, let the light reach your feet, toes, and the very tips of your toes. And with each breath, feel this warm light spreading throughout your entire body, bringing complete relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, allow yourself to drift deeper into this state of calm. So imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. Each step you take will bring you deeper into relaxation. There are 10 steps, and as I count down from 10 to 1, take each step slowly and deliberately, feeling more relaxed with each number. So 10, stepping down, feeling your body becoming heavier and much more relaxed. 9, deeper and deeper into relaxation. 8, feeling more at ease and more comfortable. 7, Every muscle in your body is loose and very relaxed. 6. Letting go of any remaining tension. 5. Halfway down now, feeling so calm and peaceful. 4. Deeper and deeper, completely relaxed. 3. Almost there, feeling so serene. 2. Nearly at the bottom, completely at ease. And 1. Stepping off the last step into a place of total relaxation and peace. Now imagine yourself in a serene, majestic mountain landscape. The sun is beginning to rise, casting a warm golden glow over everything. The air is fresh and cool, filled with the scent of pine trees and the sounds of birds singing. Walk along a winding path that leads you through this beautiful mountain scenery. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet and the strength of the earth supporting you. Notice the towering trees, the clear blue sky, and the breathtaking views of the mountains all around you. This place is a sanctuary of strength and resilience where you can feel completely at ease. So find a comfortable spot to sit down, perhaps on a large flat rock or a soft patch of grass. And as you sit, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, filling you with energy and positivity. In this mountain sanctuary, there's a special place for you, a quiet clearing with crystal clear streams flowing through it. As you look into the water, see your reflection looking back at you, calm and serene. This is your true self, filled with inner strength, resilience, and confidence. Now imagine taking a deep breath in, drawing in the energy of the mountains, and exhaling any remaining tension or stress. And with each breath, feel yourself becoming more energized and ready for the day. In this mountain sanctuary, you find a powerful ancient tree with deep roots and strong branches. This tree symbolizes your inner strength and resilience. As you sit beneath its branches, you feel a sense of power and stability. So imagine the roots of this tree extending deep into the earth, drawing in strength and stability. These roots represent your own foundation of inner strength and, of course, resilience. Feel the connection to your own past experiences and challenges, providing you with a strong base to build upon. Now imagine the branches of the tree reaching out, each one representing a new opportunity or challenge. As the sun rises higher in the sky, the light nourishes these branches, encouraging them to grow and to flourish. Feel the warmth of the sun filling you with energy and resilience. As you sit beneath this tree, allow your mind to open to new opportunities and challenges. Imagine yourself facing challenges with strength and resilience, seeing them as opportunities for growth and learning. Feel the confidence and energy that comes with knowing you have the inner strength to overcome any obstacle. You are filled with the power of inner strength and resilience. You have the ability to face challenges with confidence and grace, to see them as opportunities for growth and learning, and to move through life with strength and stability. Embrace the inner strength and let it guide you throughout your day. So as you sit beneath the tree of inner strength and resilience, repeat the following affirmations to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. Let each affirmation resonate deeply within you, filling you with confidence and positivity. I am strong and resilient. I have the inner strength to overcome any challenge. I am confident in my ability to face challenges with grace. I see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. I am stable and grounded. I am filled with energy and positivity. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am confident in my ability to handle any situation. I am a positive force in the world. I am constantly growing and learning. So repeat these affirmations several times, feeling their truth and power growing within you. Each affirmation strengthens your resolve and prepares you for a wonderful day ahead. Now imagine your day unfolding perfectly. See yourself moving through your day with ease and confidence. Picture yourself handling any challenges that come your way with calm and grace. Visualize yourself facing challenges with inner strength and resilience, seeing them as opportunities for growth and learning. See yourself interacting positively with others, spreading kindness and positivity wherever you go. Feel the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that comes from knowing you're doing your best and making the most of each moment. As you move through your day, carry the energy and positivity of this mountain sanctuary. Let it remind you of your strength and capability. Know that you have the power to create a wonderful day for yourself, filled with joy, successes, and of course, fulfillment. So in a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5, and as I count, you'll slowly begin to return to your waking state, bringing with you all the positive feelings and energy from this session. By the time I reach 5, you'll be fully awake, alert, and ready to start your day with enthusiasm and of course confidence. So 1, becoming aware of your surroundings, feeling the energy return to your body. 2, feeling more alert, more awake, and more energized. 3, bringing with you all the positivity and confidence from this session. 4, almost fully awake now, feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead. And 5, fully awake, fully alert, and ready to start your day with a positive attitude and a clear mind. Good work today, and namaste.